There's something special about seeing the city come to life from the 28th floor. This is what downtown Austin living is all about. This 2-bed, 2-bath condo at the Seaholm Residences is designed for both comfort and style, with floor-to-ceiling windows, hardwood floors, and an open layout that make the view the star of the show. The kitchen features sleek quartz countertops, a Wolf gas range, Wolf microwave drawer, and upgraded 36-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator, the perfect blend of modern luxury and functionality. The primary suite offers a serene retreat, complete with sound-reducing windows, blackout shades, and an ensuite spa-inspired bath. The secondary bedroom features a built-in Murphy bed, making it the perfect space for an office, secondary bedroom, or creative space. Living at the Seaholm means access to resort-style amenities like a heated pool overlooking Lady Bird Lake, open-air grills, a club room, business center, and dog park with its own wash station. Just outside your door, you're steps away from Trader Joe's, the Central Library, Shoal Creek Trail, and Austin's best entertainment and restaurant spots. Unbeatable views, thoughtful design, and the best of Austin at your doorstep. Welcome to the Seaholm Residences.